Hello everyone, it's Kevin, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can bridge tokens from Ethereum to Moonbeam using Nomad. Nomad is a security-first cross-chain messaging protocol. By leveraging an optimistic mechanism, Nomad only requires one honest actor to keep the entire system safe. To get started, head to nomad.xyz, and then we'll click on Launch Bridge, which will take us to app.nomad.xyz. Next thing we'll do is connect our wallet and choose our desired account. We'll press Next, and we'll press Connect. Select your origin chain. We'll choose Ethereum in this case, and select your destination chain. We'll choose Moonbeam. Then choose the token that you'd like to bridge here at the top. We'll choose Ethereum. Input the amount that you'd like to bridge. We'll choose 0.03 ETH. And you can see here there is an edit button next to the destination address. So you're free to send these funds to a different address. It doesn't have to be the same one as the origin address. But do make sure that you own the address that you're transferring to. Any transfers are irreversible. So we're going to press Next. Here you'll be presented with two options. With Nomad, your funds are bridged from one chain to the other, and the estimated time on the delivery is about 30 to 65 minutes. There's no fee with Nomad other than the network gas fees. You can also choose to use the Connext option, which is faster but charges an additional fee. Connext is a network of routers. You can think of these as LP and infrastructure providers that enable assets to be swapped across chains, bypassing the need for slower bridging. The estimated time to delivery on the destination chain is 7 to 10 minutes, but it can be faster. You can see the exact fee down here, delineated in transaction fees, or you could just look at the difference between the send amount and the receive amount. We'll choose the Nomad option first. Make sure you review the transaction details and then press send. And we'll confirm the transaction in MetaMask. On the following page, you'll see an ETA for the arrival of your funds, and you'll also see the transaction hash, and you can click on the Block Explorer link to see the status of the transaction on the origin chain, and we can also click on this arrow for more information on the status of your transfer. And our bridge transfer is complete. Let's go ahead and look up our address on Moonscan. You can see we have our transferred asset and we have the full amount. There was no fee taken from the bridged amount. And we also have a small drip of Glimmer. So this is very useful because this will allow us to make our first swap or make a couple transactions on the network. Next, let's head back to Nomad. And let's do another bridge transfer. We'll go through the same flow as before, except this time we'll choose Connext. So go ahead and choose Moonbeam as the destination network, and we'll be bridging Ethereum. And we'll bridge 0.03 ETH. I'll press Next, and I'll choose the Connext option. Depending on the size of your bridge transfer and the amount of liquidity available at the time, you may get a warning that says fast bridging with Connext is unavailable for this transaction. Please continue with Nomad. It's also worth pointing out that if your bridge transfer amount is small, you may get the same message because the Connext fee might end up being more than the amount you're bridging, in which case you'd be better off choosing the Nomad option and just paying for the Ethereum transaction fee. So let's go ahead and proceed with Connext. Make sure you review all of the transaction information and you're comfortable with the fee and the amount that you're receiving on the destination chain. So we'll go ahead and press send. And we'll confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And the transaction was dispatched successfully. You can view the status of it by clicking on this link. And our bridge transfer is in progress. You can also scroll down on the Nomad bridge page and you can see your active Connext transactions in progress, and this will update along with the status of the bridge transfer. And our bridged funds are now ready to be claimed. Now there is one more step that we need to take when we're bridging with Connext. We need to press claim and then we need to sign a message, and we'll sign this message. And let's head back to Connext Scan, and we can see that our transaction status is now fulfilled. And let's head to our address on Moonscan. We'll refresh the page and we can see that we received the additional wrapped ether that we expected. If I head over to the ERC20 token transactions page, I can see that I received 0.0149 and change wrapped Ethereum. This is less than the 0.03 ETH that I bridged from the origin chain. That's because of the fee that's taken out by Connext. And that's it. In this video, we were able to bridge assets from Ethereum to Moonbeam using Nomad and Connext. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
you